This is Allamanda, the golden trumpet of the garden. Today, I am gonna show you the fastest, freshest, foolproof way to repot and propagate it from the cuttings. To guarantee 100% success, we'll snap the stainless scissors, slice the perfect stem, and boom! In just a few days, brand new roots will burst to life right before your eyes.
This flower is famous for its bright colors and fast growth. Allamanda is a very colorful flower. The most popular is yellow golden trumpet, which looks bright and cheerful. But there are also pink Allamanda, purple varieties, and even white types. These colors make Allamanda a favorite plant for garden, balconies, and rooftop. Whenever you plant it, Allamanda makes the place look beautiful and fresh. To keep your Allamanda healthy, you should repot it every 12 to 18 months. Always choose a bigger pot with drainage holes so water can go out easily. For the soil, mix garden soil, compost, and sand in equal amount. Take the plant out gently from the old pot, loosen the root, and place it in the new pot. Add soil around it and water a little. This will stop root rot and help your Allamanda grow faster and give more flowers. Propagation by cutting. You can also grow a new Allamanda plant from a stem cutting. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from a healthy stem just below a leaf node. Remove the bottom leaf so the energy goes to root growth. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone or honey. Then plant it wet soil or coco peat. Cover it with a plastic sheet to keep humidity. In about 3 to 4 weeks, root will appear and you will have a new plant. I also show here using no rooting hormone. This can still work, but it gives a lower chance of success compared to using hormone or honey. So if you want the highest success, use one of them. So that's how you can repot and propagate Allamanda successfully. With yellow, pink, purple, and white flowers, Allamanda makes every garden look bright and alive. Try this simple step at home, and soon you will enjoy many new Allamanda plants in your rooftop or backyard. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy gardening tips.